everybody, this is Jacob Hartley with St. George Paramotor. I'm one of the flight instructors of the school. Today in this lesson we're going to cover aerodynamics of flight and what causes a wing to actually fly. This is just a quick disclaimer, this is not to be in place of actual instruction. We're just giving little tidbits showing you a little bit how we teach at our school and just give you some information that's very important. So let's go ahead and jump into this. If you'd like to see more videos just like this, go ahead and like and subscribe to our channel. We're doing a whole video library of different topics that we'll be covering, and we'd love to have you along. So let's go ahead and cover the aerodynamics of flight. I'm going to go ahead and draw a wing up here, an airfoil. So that's what an airfoil wing looks like. If you've ever looked at a bird's wing, you notice it's kind of in that same shape, and there's a reason for that. If you're looking at, airliners, their wings, or Cessnas, or paraglider wings, they're all kind of shaped the same way, and that's for a reason. So the aerodynamics of flight, up here we have what's called lift. Down here we have weight, where the pilot is. Back here we have drag. And up here we have thrust. So in order to generate lift, the thrust has to be greater than the drag, equal to or greater, and the amount of lift that's generated has to be more than how much weight is being suspended from the paraglider itself or an aircraft flying through the air, however heavy that is. The amount of thrust has to generate more lift than the amount of weight that it's carrying. Thrust is generated by the paramotor flying through the air, pushing us forward, and that also creates amount of drag behind us. Now that thrust has to be greater than that drag. So these two overcome those two. They have to be equal or greater to, or greater than, to generate the amount of lift that you need to be able to fly through the air. Now let me go ahead and erase that. There's another aerodynamic that comes into place. So when we have wind coming this direction at our paraglider, some of that wind is going to be deflected down below it, and this is creating a high pressure. And then you've got other wind that's hitting this, and it's going up and over, and these two air masses meet behind, and as this wind continues to hit this wing, it compresses right at this point right here. And anytime there's a compression or when the wind speeds up, it creates a low pressure or a negative pressure, and that helps to give suction. It kind of sucks the wing up as the wind below it pushes, and it puts pressure on that wing. And this is called the Bernoulli's principle. Anytime there's a mass of either liquid or air that compresses, it will actually create that negative pressure. So as we're flying through the air, this is what's happening with the wind hitting our wing, and it's generating lift and a suction force. So this is kind of the aerodynamics of flight on how a paramotor wing flies through the air, or any other wing for that matter of fact. And I appreciate you guys staying in this video with me. I will be covering, like I said, more topics about this type of subject matter. And go ahead and like and subscribe to tune in for more videos. You can also visit our website at www.stgeorgeparamotor.com. Thank you and have a great day.